In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Docusign document for signature. This process is essential for anyone looking to obtain signatures quickly and securely, whether you're managing contracts, forms, or other critical documents. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to send your documents with ease and efficiency. First, let's start by navigating to the Docusign website. Open your web browser and head over to the Docusign homepage. If you're not already signed in, please do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, your primary objective is to get to the Documents section. Now that you're logged in, your next step is to find the Agreements section. It might be labeled differently depending on your version of Docusign, but it is generally straightforward to locate. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all the documents that you intend to send for signature. At this point, you'll have two options. You can either select an agreement that you've previously saved, or, if necessary, create a new agreement. Docusign allows you to upload new documents quickly and customize them to fit your needs. But for today's demonstration, we'll go ahead and choose an agreement that has already been drafted. This is particularly handy if you're in a time crunch or if an agreement is frequently updated. Once you've selected your drafted agreement, locate the Continue button on your screen and give it a click. Following that, you should see an option to proceed with Next. It's important to be attentive during this stage to ensure that all needed details are in place. After clicking Next, it's crucial to double-check your document to confirm that all necessary fields, especially the signature field, are present and correctly positioned. This step is vital because it guarantees that the recipient knows where to sign and that everything is in order for the signature process to go smoothly. If you spot anything amiss, now would be the perfect moment to make those adjustments. Finally, after ensuring that everything looks good, click on the Send button. This action will dispatch the document to your recipient for their review and signature. You'll also likely receive confirmation or tracking details, allowing you to follow up with your recipient as needed. And that's it. Sending documents for signature using Docusign is a streamlined process that saves time, reduces paper waste, and improves efficiency in managing agreements. Make sure to explore additional features on the website that can further enhance your document management experience. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient with each new document you send. Thank you for joining me today.